In this video, I will be showing you how to get the latest news updates in the Philippines using Perplexity AI. Let's get started. I'll begin by opening my web browser and navigating to the Perplexity AI account page. I want to get signed in quickly, so I'll choose the Continue with Google option and let the page authenticate. Once the personalization screen appears, I'll click the home icon in the top left corner to head straight to the search dashboard. Now I'm ready to find the latest information. I'll click on the search bar and type in, "Give me recent news today" in PH before hitting enter. You can see the AI immediately goes to work, searching through the web to find the most current and relevant news stories available. In just a few seconds, it pulls together a comprehensive list of headlines. The results show major events like nationwide Labor Day protests and official statements from President Marcos. It also provides important local details such as road closures in Manila and the latest weather advisories from Pagasa regarding extreme heat and rain. As I scroll through, I can see even more updates on regional security and public safety. Perplexity even organizes these into trending topics like labor rights and weather alerts. It's a very fast and efficient way to stay updated on everything happening in the country without needing to search multiple news sites manually. This makes staying informed simpler than ever. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.